passion twist situation. All right, so let's go.
Girl, you know it's true when I said I'll see it before you. Then, baby, I love you, E-Y-O-U. Girl, no matter what they say, it's true. I do. Girl, you should be mine, yeah. From the way that you turn on your twist and you turn up your spine, boy.
Gonna take a small rubber band and secure the ends. If you have any stragglers like this, if it really bothers you like this, you can take a rubber band and tie him down, but I'm gonna see how it looks at the end. So as you can see right here, I have like my first kind of passion twist, right? You guys see where I'm going with this? So I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest of my hair, and when I'm done, I'm gonna come back and do like some last minute grooming. You know your girl extra, so she like to throw a little, you know, a little extra in the sauce. So let's go ahead and finish these twists.
The way you design, I can tell that you're one of a kind. So I need you right here by my side. Only you can make me feel right, baby. I don't care what they say. When it's so play.
One more note, this one actually has 3 locks, this one has 3 locks, this one has 4 locks. So I'm pretty much just gauging it over the thickness of the particular locks that I'm using for that particular twist. So depending on the thickness of your hair, you can either take 2 to 4, well, not really 2, because I feel like it's not going to give you like the 3-dimensional look that kind of goes along with these passion twists. But I would say you could take about 3 to 4 locks, or maybe more depending on the size of your locks. If you have like sister locks or something like that, you could possibly take bigger locks, okay? So let's continue.
First to come push back on me, but I went so sweet, girl, you know you hypnotize me. I'm falling in love with your body, baby, push and give it to me. Love the way you fling it on me. So come, let me break it down to the floor. Wine and give me some more. Spin it round for me, turn it down for me, drop it down, let me see everything that you need.
So the great thing that I noticed about this style is that most people that have it have not that many twists in their hair, because you know this big twist, big braids style is a thing right now, which I love, because listen, I've only been doing this, I would say about 8 minutes. I'm almost halfway through, so I could already see this is gonna take max 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes for me at least.
Forget before you leave. I ain't come here to tease, I come here to please, relax and be. I want you to come. I want you to come on over. Put your legs on my shoulder. Oh baby, don't wanna water. I keep you on my mind, yeah. When I'm hustling on the road, girl, my 9 to 5. Thinking about your bumper, thinking about that wine. Got to spend my money and time to keep your girl by my side, lady. When I fly back home, we going out together, me and you alone. We whining down in a corner, down to the bone. Girl, when the fed and girl, we go home. Take you home, girl, and make you moan. Girl, tonight you're not going home. So come, let me break it down to the floor. Wine and give me some more. Spin it round for me, turn it down for me, drop it down, let me see everything that you need. You go get before you leave. I ain't come here to tease, I come here to please, relax and be people on my mind.
So I'm noticing one thing about these twists that I just want to draw your attention to. I don't really mind that much, but I just want to draw your attention. You see how this one is unraveling here? I want to just let you guys know that you still, even though you're doing it loose in the roots, you still have to be sure to do it the way you would do a normal twist. So you're still turning your hands, twisting your wrist, turning your hand, twisting your wrist just to tighten it, okay? Twist your wrist, understand? So even though you're doing it loose, you're still doing that twisting motion to make sure that it stays. So these are my twists, and if they're not looking passiony enough, you can always go ahead and like unravel some of it like that, loosen it up, get it real passion looking. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put all the twists into one so that I can sort out my edges. Eco Styler gel. And no worries, my hair is dirty, so usually I would not go in with this amount of gel, but it's dirty, so I don't care.
Baby, keep you on my mind.
Alright, so now that I have the edges tied down just for a few minutes, probably like 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add this lot jewelry to my twist, because I feel like everyone that I see with these passion twists has like jewelry on it and stuff, just to add to the overall fanciness of it. So yeah, boom. I have a couple, so I'm going to go ahead and add them. And I'm putting it around the entire twist, not like the individual lock, but the entire twist.
Girl, you're gonna be mine. Want you in my life. Say, girl, you know it's true. I said I'll say it before you. Baby, you know L-O-E-V-E-Y-O-U.
Alright, you guys, so this completes the look. These are the twists, and I think that it does give me that passion twist look. And this is where my locks in the twist are hitting. But you guys, if your locks are longer than mine, you're really gonna achieve that passion twist long flowy look, right? And even if you have shorter locks than me, try it out. It might be super, super, super cute. So of course I can go ahead and style the twist anyway. I can put them halfway like this. Super cute, right? Tie it like it's a whole vibe, like
No matter what they say, it's true.
or you can go ahead and put it to the side, kind of to the side, and you know, it's just a vibe, you guys, a whole vibe.
So give me bumper, bumper, bumper. Want to kiss your body and wine it all over. Right on the ground.
So overall, I'm absolutely enjoying this style, and this is definitely a style that I'm going to come back to when my hair is curly again, because sometimes even though I do these other styles to achieve these curly looks, when I get to the curly looks, after like a couple days, I'm kind of low-key over it. So I feel like this is really, really cute just to give me a little zhuzh, okay?
Party done, girl, I just want you, just come right on over. So Missy, give it all to me. Anything I want, you know she give it all to me. Anything you need, you know I give it all to she. If you give me waistline, I give you waistline.
Alright, you guys, this is going to complete this video. If you guys like what you saw, y'all already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Go watch some more of my videos, because I mean, we're already here. You might as well, right? And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.